Okay, the last thing we're going to find is t. Now remember, t is the amount of time in years. So there will be some time that they ask for different things like months or days, and I'll show you what to do when we get to it. But first and foremost, when you're solving for t, t will equal, and let's look at what's on top, the I divided by p times the rate. Okay, so let's go ahead and start by looking at some questions and identifying the parts that we need. Find the number of years. So that's perfect. We don't have to do anything at the end. Required for 7,450 to earn, so that's our key word, earn 1788. Okay. In simple interest at 8% annum. So that is our rate. So we'll set this up. T equals our interest, 1788, over the principal, 7,450, and the rate, 8%. So we're going to set this up in the calculator just as it is seen. 1788 over 7450 times 8% simple, and I get that the time in years is 3. Now the next one's a little bit more difficult because it's saying determine the number of months. So that's going to be a key word where we're going to have to do something at the end. Required for a deposit of, so deposit of means principal. So principal, 26,400 to earn, so that's our interest, 517 dirhams at 11.75% rate. So T equals 517 divided by 26,400 times 11.75%. We're going to put it in exactly as we see it on the paper. 517 is on top. On the bottom, 26,400 times 11.75%. And we get that the time is 1/6 years. But they're asking about months. Now earlier when we had to make months into years, we divided by 12. Now we're making years into months. We need to multiply by 12 because there are 12 months in 1 year. So 1/6 we will multiply by 12 and we get that it is 2 months. So in 2 months it will earn 517 dirhams. Let's look at the next one. How many days are needed for 6,000, so that's my principal, to earn, there's that key word again, earn 276 dirhams and 16 fils, so that's our interest, at 10.5 PA, so that's my rate. So once again, I'm going to set it up just as I have the others. T equals, I'm earning 276 dirhams and 16 fils by depositing 6,000 into my account at 10.5% annum. So we're going to put that in our calculator. Fraction 276.16 goes on top. On the bottom, 6,000 and 10.5% simple. And I find out that my time in years is 3452 over 7875. But in order to go from years to days, just like we multiplied by 12 months in a year, there are 365 days in a year. So I'm going to multiply by 365. And I get the answer 159.997. or in other words, 160 days.